Hey, Beeb,
Yeah,
what are you doing?
getting some cake.
Again?
Yeah.
Beeb, seriously, you know how unhealthy cake is. I mean, why don't you try getting some different alternatives like...
Please, I really don't want you to tell me what I should and
But
should
Beeb,
not be eating.
seriously...
No, I just said I don't want to hear it. Get out of my face.
Okay, for real,
No,
Beeb, I care about you, and I just... Oh my God, Bianca, are you alright? Beeb, are you okay? Oh my God. I knew it. Hold on, alright? I got something for you. Okay? Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't believe this. Jeez. Okay, seriously, you know what you need, Bianca? You need vitamin water.
What the heck is vitamin water?
What? You don't know what vitamin water is? Vitamin water is extremely essential to your health. I mean, these days, especially since we're always on the go, vitamin water is packed with the nutrients and the vitamins that you need to be on your feet all day if you wanted to. Just try some. I promise you'll like it.
Is it like orange juice or something?
Well, there are tons of different flavors, but this particular one is orange. Try some.
That really is good, isn't it?
I told you. See? So now you can resort to vitamin water when you get the sugar cravings. Seriously, BB, it's not healthy when you're always eating cake and other unhealthy snacks. And now, vitamin water is something that you can look forward to. Vitamin water. 'Cause everybody wants to be healthy.